G'day, Merry Christmas. We love the 12 days of Christmas here. SEQ Campers has used and pre-loved cruisers, caravans, and campers ready to go for Christmas. Get out there for a little bit of summer camping. And our 12-day special is AWN Aftermarket Warranty. So what it is a warranty that's gonna cover all your appliances, such as air conditioner, microwave, fridge. It'll even cover some of my chargers, inverters, and it does cover a lot of items on there with no excess. We love the AWN Aftermarket Warranty. Buy it here in this month, December, and you buy 1 year, we'll give you 5 years warranty on all your appliances. This is a great 5-year offer, 12 days of Christmas, SEQ Campers. Check out some of our hybrids, some of our full-size and camper trailers that we have here available right now. Thanks for watching and enjoying all these videos on the 12 days of Christmas. Talk to us, we'll be here right up until the holidays, enjoying and getting ready for your camping trip. Bye for now from Shane and Maud, SEQ Campers.